Step 1. Turn on subtitles. Choose your language. Click on video to pause. In the right corner you will find the CC button. Click on it to activate subtitles. Click on the 3 dots and choose your language from captions. Step 2. If you find the video too slow or too fast, you can change the speed of video. Click on the 3 dots from right corner and choose the speed. Step 3. Prepare yarn and hook. Let's begin. Hello. In today's video I will show you how to crochet a small flower. You can use any size hook and weight yarn. Depending of your yarn hook intention, the dimension of flower can vary. For example, this flower is about 4 centimeters in diameter. And I used hook number 2 millimeters and thread recommended for a 1 to 3 millimeters hook. For the blue flower I used same thread, but crochet number 2.5 millimeters. It's have about 4.5 centimeters. When you need a quick and easy embellishment for a hat, baby booties, scarf or bag, this easy crochet flower pattern is perfect. If you want to find later this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe our channel or to save the video. Start with a magic ring or a magic circle. Wrap the yarn around your finger. Insert the hook and pull up a loop. As you pull up the yarn, rotate the hook up towards you. Continue holding the circle of yarn in your hand, wrap the working yarn from back to front over the hook. Draw the yarn through the loop on the hook. This completes 1 chain. Pull the tail yarn out of circle. Do another 2 chain to make a total of 3 chains. We will consider this 3-stitch chains as the first double stitch, or in UK terms, first treble stitch. Now it's time to make your first round of stitches into the ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the center of the ring, and draw up a loop to begin your first double crochet, or in UK terms, first treble crochet. Do another 3 double crochet. You will be crocheting over both strands, the loop and the yarn tail. We obtained our first group of 5 stitches. Chain 2 and do another group of 5 double crochet. We'll do this step 4 times. Do another 3 groups on the ring, separated by 2 chains. I'll fast forward and go to the last group. You can stop the video and work to keep up with me. The ring may still look too loose and open, but we will fix that in the next step. In final, we will have on ring 5 groups of 5 stitches each, separated by chain of 2. Pull the yarn tail to draw the center of the ring closed, like a drawstring bag. As you do this, the turning chain and the last stitch of the round will come closer together. Work a slip stitch on top of the first stitch to join the round. More precisely, we need to insert hook in the 3rd bolts of the chain of 3. Insert the hook. Yarn over both string of yarn, working yarn and tail yarn, then draw up a loop. This way, we will secure the yarn and will prevent the magic ring to unravel. For row 2, do a slip stitch in next chain. In next chain, that is the middle stitch of first group of 5 stitches, do 1 single crochet. In UK terms, do 1 double crochet. Work over the tail yarn to hide it. Go in first space and do 8 double crochet. In UK terms, do 8 treble crochet. Always count the stitches. Forget some of them if you have done too much stitches. In the middle of next group, do 1 single crochet. In UK terms, do 1 treble crochet. Then in next space, do 8 double crochet. In UK terms, do 8 treble crochet. We will do this step 4 times. I'll fast forward and go to the last group. You can stop the video and work to keep up with me. Join with a slip stitch on top of first single crochet. Fasten off, and you are done. I love to hear your feedback. Tell me in the comments below if you find helpful this tutorial. When you make this project, share it on social media and tag me. I love to see what you make. Weave in the loose ends with a yarn needle or with the crochet hook. Save this tutorial to your Pinterest boards so that you can come back to it later. If you liked this tutorial, you can help me to promote my channel by sharing it with your friends, family and on social media. Your help is very much appreciated. Thanks for watching and see you soon.